Hey guys, welcome back. Got something quite different for you today. It's a hot rod of kind, and so what we're doing right now, me and Mrs. Kiwi are having a little bit of R&R out at some Kiwi cousins of ours, and we're just having a blast. We're in the desert, Southern California, and very close to the Colorado River, so you kind of mix hot rods with a big river, and what you have is this little puppy. This is an 88 California Performance jet boat, and as you can see, it's a blast from the past. It's, what is it now, 30 something years old, and it's just way cool. This is a hot rod for the water. 454 tunnel rammed twin 650s, and it sounds fantastic. Open headers straight out the back. The only thing softening the sound is a little bit of water going through there. So we've already had it out on the water. We've got a little bit of a misfire. We're going to diagnose a couple of little issues in it. It's recently had an electric fuel pump added to it, and they wired it and hooked it onto the positive terminal of the coil, which is a no-no. You can't use the coil power to run anything else. The coil needs its power. So we've rerouted that, done a couple of little things. We're going to go and drop it in the water and see how she goes. But if it goes half as good as it looks, it'll be pretty good. Look at that balloon. Yeah. Got the big Berkeley jet on the back. I'm just going to throw some water out. Yeah, like, look at the back of it, really shallow. She's a riverboat. It's designed to go fast and look good. So, you know, that does kind of qualify it as a hot rod. Let's be honest. So, oh, there's Mrs. Kiwi in the background. Say hi. All right, we're heading to the river. We'll do, the next scene will be us on the river. We're just doing a little test, and then we'll come back. so we're back from the water. We made some gains, step forward and a little bit of a step back. We got a bit of a fueling issue now. She's cleaned right up the top end, so it's revving hard now. It's not misfiring, but it's loading up down low. When it's idling, it seems like the carburetors are flooding. So what we're going to do, we'll have a little look at that. Somewhat limited. We're heading back to Tennessee today, so we're kind of limited on time, but we've certainly diagnosed some issues, had some fun roaring up and down the river as you saw, and for me this is really cool. I really like it, and I was hoping you guys would too. So hey, we're going to play with the carburetors now, keep having fun, keep getting wet, and I will see you tomorrow. See you guys. We're going to fire it up for you, so listen to this little puppy purr.